Welcome to the Holistic-Yogi, a 3-part series on releasing tight hips, back, and psoas. Today's video is hip and glute release tutorial. Let's go ahead and roll our mats out and let's get started.
Welcome everybody, I am the Holistic-Yogi and today we're going to be working with hip openers. So it's a brief little introduction and I want to show you also what it feels like to be also in a situation where you have tight hips, like my partner here, Miguel. So as you see, I'm going to have him basically sit in Balakonasana, bound angle pose. Go ahead and put yourself, feet are together. Down. No, stay on the block. He's on the block also if you want to also help you down your feet together. Feet together, pop. Okay, so as you can see, put your hands down beside you. You see the difference on one knee higher than the other. Most of you will experience that, so you can also be on a block to help you as you crisscross your legs comfortably, cross them down. You're going to see that he still has a hard time bringing those hips down. So what we're going to do is, and you can see as this is considered his right leg, it's higher than the left. I'm going to work with the right with my active release therapy balls, the orange set, which is the large one. So let's begin. Lay down. Face me, face the ground. Okay, so now he's going to lay down. Bend your knees. Lift your pelvis. We're going to place the balls in a vertical position, and you're going to now drop your pelvis right on top of that glute. You're going to drop the right knee down on the floor, placing it right next to the opposite leg, and you're going to now shimmy the balls left and right, just like he's doing, and you're going to feel some tightness in certain areas. Just keep doing it as long as you need to release that tightness that's going on. And the more you bring it out, these balls need to come out closer to the hip area, the more you're going to feel it. How are we doing?
Good.
Are you feeling any tightness?
Oh yeah.
Okay. How do you feel now?
Good, looser.
Looser? Okay, let's come into seated again. With the right leg in front, the same way you sat against the wall. So his back is supported. Yeah, no. And so now, he doesn't have the assistance of the block, so allows him to really sit a little bit better against the wall, allowing that knee to drop a little bit better, still high, but it would be impossible if he was off the block. So now I'm going to take him, go back on again on your right side, to the side, facing the camera. Yeah, you're going to now place those balls in a horizontal way, but you're going to basically roll them up and down your hip. As you can see, his leg is well off the ground. Some of you may experience tightness, so you can keep yourself on the ball, do what you can, and all you're doing is basically opening up that muscle. How's it feel?
Good. Super tight, good.
Okay. Now sit in any area that is super, super tight, that you hit a trigger point, sit in that spot, find it. Raise the leg a little higher, like right where the knee is. And you can see he's already made a face. Breathe into it. And then exhale. You can hold it for 32 up to 60 seconds. And release. Come back to the wall. And assist yourself by sitting against the wall, same way that he's positioning the right leg in the front the whole time, and you notice his knee is starting to drop a little bit. Okay, there's a little curvature in his low back, and that has to do with tightness that's going on in his hips and low back. Let's bring yourself back again on the ground, seated facing your toes this way, head that way. This time we're going to remove one of these out of here. We're going to place it into a trigger point. Take this ankle and place it on top of the knee. And you're going to now shimmy the ball side to side. Find your trigger, sit on it and breathe, and try to push the knee away from your chest towards me in this case. This allows you to open up the spot. If you cannot handle it, all I want you to do is just hold it for 10, 30, up to 60 seconds. Make sure you focus on your breathing. Your breathing is nice and slow, deep breaths. again. And let's go back. Come into the wall. How does that feel? Okay. Where are you feeling it now?
Front.
Okay, so now you notice he's now moved away from the back. Now the issue is coming into the psoas. So this is where we move on to the next video clip where we work on the psoas. In the meantime, you guys go ahead and do the same thing for the left side, and we will catch back up onto the next video.
Thank you for joining me today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to help others view this content. If you wish to deepen your practice, please visit my app, Kamala Ingrid, now available on Apple and Google Play, and start your free 7-day trial.